man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got my S21 on the desk. It's a case video today, guys. What I got for y'all is an Otterbox. No, we already did a regular Otterbox, guys. We doing something a little different here. We doing the Otterbox Prefix series. This is a clear, transparent case, but I'm sure it still has a lot of protection, guys. A lot of protection from Otterbox, I'm sure, even with the clear cases, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. As you can see, it's still military drop tested. We got the ultra thin design. We got wireless charging compatible, so that's very dope. We need that, and that's for our S21 5G. Give back. So with your purchase, basically Otterbox gives back to certain charities and things of that nature. And it's 5G compatible material designed for Samsung, guys. So really dope. I see what they talking about on the back. Hard case, soft grip. Always like a case that has a nice grip in the hand, not too, you know, some cases feel like they beat your hands up. I like a case that's got a soft grip to it so I can hold it all day, look at my device. Pocket friendly design, raised edges protect camera and screen. Easy on and off. Everything that we like to hear. That raised edge is important. Camera protection is important. We got all these camera sensors now on these devices. So okay, it says open other end. Let's try to open this other end up. And we just gonna go ahead and get the case out. Typical white and black Otterbox packaging. And boom, here we have it, guys. Got a nice clear case here, guys. Looks very, very clear. And I say that to say this, that might seem like a blanket statement, like a, kind of like, why is he saying this clear case supposed to be clear? But some of these cases, guys, when they're a little thicker and they're a little bit more rugged, especially the clear ones, the material has a yellowish tint to it. But this is very clear, as you can see in my hand, guys. It's very clear. My hand doesn't change any colors. Nice and clear like you want it. It's got like a frosted thing going on with the edges, like a frosted bumper. Very sturdy around the edges, guys. That's a lot of drop protection. Now, I'm gonna wipe this off a little bit. I had put some smudges on here with my hands. And I mean, this is going, look, you can't shoot one of these videos with a clear case without no smudges, guys. We're gonna be realistic here. But nice. I like the back, nice clear back protective. But these frosted sides are really sturdy, guys. A nice TPU. Very nice. Not even a T. I would say this is a polycarbonate, guys. This is kind of like a harder plastic. As you can see, we got all the cutouts that we're supposed to have on deck. Power button, volume rocker. Nice Otterbox branding, guys. Nice touch right there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the phone and see what it's talking about. And here we go, guys. Nice clear case. Because a lot of us, we buy these expensive phones and we want to show them off, and we want to show them, we just want to show them off. We want you to see that we got the newest Galaxy or the newest iPhone or whatever. So we keep a clear case. But sometimes clear cases are cheap, and that kind of defeats the purpose of what we try and do here. We try and protect the device with a case on it. Clear or colored, we want protection. So as you can see, we got a nice big cutout for the camera, and they cut it out extra for the flash. I don't know if I'm a fan of that too much. Gotta be honest with you guys. Nice big cutout on the bottom, and we got that nice raised lip. So out of a 10, I would give this a 9 on the protective. Just the feel in my hand, the protectiveness on this case is a 9, guys. It's really high for it to be compared to a regular TPU case that you might spend $10 on. It's very protective. I just don't like how they did the flash cutout. It's kind of big, but at the same time, you're really not gonna notice it because it is a clear back. So when you get it all cleaned up, it's nice and clear. You're really not gonna notice that at all, guys. But nice, clear, not too bulky at all. Doesn't add a lot of size to the phone, but just adds a lot of protection, guys. So this is the Prefix series from Otterbox. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.